I told myself that I'm not going to do this XENEA Testnet except they make it as a tax in this their app. And that's the major reason why I'm actually doing this particular video. Else, I wouldn't have done this particular video. If you're still mining XENEA Airdrop, just a recap. This project has postponed their TGE, that's their token generation event, the listing, 3 times from 2024 till date. And according to them, because anything they say, I don't longer believe it, I just take it as an information. According to them, they're going to list in Q3. And as I speak right now, this is season 3. If you actually come to this your XENEA app and you come to your missions, you discover that they've removed all the missions. And the only missions that are left right now are those from the testnet. So this is just the tax that is actually left. And that's the reason why I am actually doing this particular video. So I'm just going to quickly guide you through all the processes. So I'm going to close here. You're going to come back to this page. This is the first page you get when you open your XENEA wallet. I don't know if you may be able to see it when you're watching this particular video, but just pay attention to what I am saying and pay attention to the pointer and you're going to understand everything, okay? So just come and tap on this. So you tap on it. Change it to Ethereum. So you tap on Ethereum. Then come and tap on it again. You tap on it. Then look at this bottom here. You're going to see Add Network. Come and tap on the Add Network. You tap on Add Network. You can see Custom Network here. Just follow my cursor. You tap on Custom Network. And there are some informations you actually need to put here, like the network name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, the symbol, and the block explorer URL. I'm going to put all of this information in the comment section, and I'm also going to put it in my WhatsApp community. If you want to join my WhatsApp community, join my Telegram channel in the comment section, then tap on the pinned post. You're going to see the links to my WhatsApp community, then you join, okay? So let me just quickly do that. So after you feed all the information, make sure you cross-check it and be sure that it is correct, okay? Then come down here and tap on this add. You can see add here. You tap on your add. And if you check down here, you're going to see confirm. So you just come and tap on confirm here. So you tap on your confirm and just wait. What I noticed is that once I did this, it didn't give me a confirmation message like confirmed or it has been saved. So I tap on add again and then they told me it has already been added. So I'm just simply going to go back now. I'm saying this just in case you experience the same thing, okay? So I just go back, use my back button. So coming back here, you're going to come to this point here, tap on it, then you're going to choose this XENEA Testnet. So you tap on it. Let me open this so you're going to see everything now. So once it opens like this, what you need to do is you need to copy your address and submit in their Discord. So you just come to this point here, you can see receive. So you tap on receive, then you come down here, you're going to see that copy sign, just tap on it and it's going to be copied to your clipboard. So I just come here and cancel it. So right now I need to go and join their Discord. Don't worry, I'm going to put the link to their Discord in the comment section, okay? So the moment you tap on the link to join their Discord, it's going to bring you down here like this. So all you need to do is just come and tap on accept invite. So you accept the invite. Then you just come to this point where you can see welcome. Tap on your welcome. If it's taking time, just go back. Tap on the welcome again. So once you come here, all you need to do is just come and tick any of this, okay? Since this is XENEA logo, let me just choose that one. So I'll tap on it. Then just scroll up. Come and check this box. Then you tap on complete. So I'll check the box. Then I'll tap on complete. So I'll still come and tap on this again. So I'll tap on it. You can even tap on different things, okay? As much as you want, okay? Then after doing that, I'll come and tap on this. So I'll tap on this. So this is where you can be able to interact with people, send tokens to them, and they will send tokens to you. So let me just go back. I'll go back now. So I'll scroll up now. You can see that I am now a member, right? So each time you want to get your faucet tokens, always come to this point. You can see it here. XENEA Testnet faucet. Just come and tap on it. Then if you want to share faucet tokens with people, come to this point and share it with them. You can send 0.01. Please, if you send to someone and they don't send to you, don't be angry. That's not the point. This is faucet token. You can just claim and just be sending to someone They want you to test it, to just claim and be sending to people. As long as you send to them, you're going to get your own reward. I believe that's clear enough. So I just come and tap on this. So I'll tap on it. Then I'll tap on this arrow so that it goes to the ending. So right here, you need to submit your wallet address, that wallet address you copied. So don't just come here and tap here and just paste your wallet address like this. Like paste it like this and send it. No, that's not the right way to do it. If you do it like that, you're not going to get any Faucet token. Okay, so this is how you're actually going to do it. So tap on this your 123 sign, then tap on slash, then type Faucets, F-A-U. Now you can see it here. You either choose the first one or the second one. I don't want to use my pointer because if I want to use my pointer, it's going to disappear. So I'm going to tap on this first one. So you tap on it. It will show like this, right? And just come inside here, just hold, and you paste your address. Then you tap on this send. You can now see what they said here. 10 of this is heading to my wallet. And you can actually request this once every 12 hours. I believe that's clear enough. So let me go back now. So right now I want to send to someone. So I just come to this point here. I'll tap on it. I'll just pick any wallet here, any wallet at all. So I just tap on this one. I'll tap on copy text. It has been copied to my clipboard. So I'll minimize and go back to my XENEA wallet. Coming to my XENEA wallet now, I just need to refresh. You can see now that my 10 Faucet token has actually reflected. So for me to be able to send to that guy now, I'll come here and tap on send. So I'll tap on send. I'll tap on this XENEA logo showing my balance. Just in case you're not being able to see what I am doing here, just pay attention to what I'm saying. You can see 2. Okay, you can either come here and hold, or you can see a paste signal. Just tap on that paste signal. It will copy what is already on your clipboard. Okay, then come down to this amount here. I want to send that guy 0.01. Then I'll come down here and tap on next. So tap on next. So you can actually choose the transaction fee you want. So just come and tap on fast, or you can leave it on average. Okay, but me actually tapped on fast. Then you come down here and slide this to the right to confirm. Okay, so I just hold it and slide it to the right. Then I'll authenticate my fingerprint. Then just wait. You can see now processing. Do not close the app or disconnect from the network. So just wait. You can see it now processing. If you tap on these transaction details here, you can actually be able to see all the transaction details, and you can see status is showing confirming. So from here now, you can just be doing this like 3 times every day. You can claim 2 times daily or once daily. Once you send about thrice, you are good for the day. Just like I said, this is a Faucet token. There is no need to be fighting about it. So you can see it after a lot of time, it showed sent successfully. Then just come here and tap on back to wallet. So you just be repeating this whole process. I believe that's clear enough. So basically, this is all you need to do in the XENEA Testnet. And just like I said, I'm actually doing this just because they have incorporated it as a task or as a mission. Else I wouldn't have done this. Because in my opinion, the XENEA wallet thing, they're not serious. How can you postpone your TGE for 3 particular times? I am very interested in them. I want to see what XENEA wallet is actually going to reward their community. That's even the essence of me still following them till now, and I'll follow them till the end. So basically, that's the end of this particular video. If this video was helpful to you, or you found any form of value from this video, do what you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification to get all notifications so that I can always be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos. Also, do what to join our Telegram channel. Link in the comment section, where we share with you various updates on cryptocurrency and airdrop. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.